Why does your scanner show the P2231 engine code? What does it mean? P2231 is a diagnostic trouble code for O2 sensor signal circuit shorted to heater circuit on, bank 1 sensor 1. It indicates that PCM has detected the oxygen sensor signal is shorted to the heater circuit on, bank 1 sensor 1. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This code is caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty O2 sensor. Wiring issues. Faulty O2 sensor heater circuit. PCM issues. Exhaust leaks. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, BMW, Volkswagen, Honda, Kia, Peugeot, Chevrolet, and Cadillac. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.